Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the second order derivative. Okay, already you have discussed about the first order derivative of a function. For what was the first order derivative? The first order derivative was suppose y is equal to fx is a function. Then if you take the derivative of the function with respect to x, then that is dy by dx is equal to what? F dash x. This is called what? First order derivative. Called what? First order derivative. It is called what? First order derivative. We have derivative once, that's why it is called first order derivative. It is usually also denoted, this dy by dx also denoted as y1 or y dash. In short, we can name is y1. y1 means dy by dx or y dash means dy by dx. Okay, that means y1 or y dash or dy by dx or f dash x all are first order derivative. First order derivative of the function y equal to what? Fx. Now, what is the second order derivative? After getting first order derivative means you derivative the derivative y equal to fx with respect to what? X. Again you derivative this, you get dy by dx. Again derivative this particular function, that is means what? d dx of dy by dx is equal to d dx of what? F dash x. Okay, then this particular means we derivative the first order derivative after getting dy by dx or f dash x, again derivative with respect to x, and this particular expression is denoted by the symbol d2y, not d square, d2y upon dx2. It is denoted by what? D2y upon dx2, and it means that derivative of dy by dx with respect to what? X. And right hand side is will be what? Again derivative means f double dash x, f double dash x. And this particular expression is called second order derivative. Second order derivative. Okay, second order derivative, and it is in short it is usually denoted as y2 or y double dash or d2y upon dx2 or f double dash x. These are all second order. These are all what? All are what? Second order derivative. The first order derivative are denoted by y1 or y dash or dy by dx or f dash x. Then you derivative this again, it means y1 को अगर derivative करेंगे means ddx of y1. y1 means what? dy by dx. ddx of y1 क्या होगा? y2. Similarly, if suppose it will be ddx of y dash means y double dash. Okay. Again ddx of dy by dx means d2y upon dx2. These all things d2y upon dx2, y2 or y double dash x all are same. All are what? Same. So sometimes in solving the question we will use this term rather this using this, because this particular expression is little bit complicated or little bit take times, consume times. So we will use y2 or y double dash, that we save our time also in solving the question. Okay, so this is about the second order derivative. What is second order derivative? First, for a function y equal to fx, you derivative once and you will get first order derivative. It is called dy by dx or y1 or y dash or f dash x. Okay, and again you derivative this particular expression dy by dx or y1 or y dash or f dash x with respect to x, you will get that is a expression, and this expression is called what? d2y upon dx2 or y2 or y double dash x or f double dash x. These are called second order derivative. Order is 2. Here order is 2, order is 2, order is what? 2, order is what? 2. Here order is what? 1, order is what? 1, order is what? 1. That was first order derivative. Okay, this is about the second order derivative. Okay, now we are going to find the second order derivative of these two expression. Okay, one expression is e to the power x into sin 5x and another is what? Log of log x. Okay, so first we are going to find the second order derivative of this one. So let us take this is equal to what? Y. Let y equal to e to the power x into sin 5x. Find dy by dx means y1. y1 is equal to d dx of y1 means what? dy by dx. ओके दोनों साइड में जब dy by dx लेंगे तो dy by dx क्या बन जाएगा? y1. तो इस साइड में dy by dx लिया, इस साइड में भी dy by dx ले लिया. ठीक है, तो ये dy by dx होगा या d dx ऑफ e to the power x into sin 5x and dy by dx is equal to what? y1. Now there are two functions, first function and second function. So if you use the product rule, you know first function into d dx of second function means u into d dx of b plus b into d dx of u. Okay, this is your u and this is your b. Use the product rule. I think you know already, you have solved many questions. So how to find the derivative of sin 5x? So it is very simple. You know the dx of suppose sin mx you are going to find. So you consider this mx as your x. तो उसके साथ x करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? sin x हो जाएगा. तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में आएगा. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में sin x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? cos x. ये क्या बन जाएगा? cos x हो जाएगा. और अगेन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ व्हाट? mx. So m is a constant, it will be come out from the derivative m into cos mx and ddx of x is equal to what? 1. So from this we observe that ddx of sin mx is equal to what? Cos mx, and just the coefficient of x is multiplied. Coefficient of x is क्या है? Multiplied है. So now we are going not be using the chain rule. हम chain rule use नहीं करेंगे, डायरेक्ट ये फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से इसको यूज़ करेंगे. कैसे करेंगे? ddx of sin mx, what will happen? It will be m into cos mx. That means you write sin mx का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? cos mx होगा और x का कोएफिशिएंट जो होगा वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ हियर यू सी ddx ऑफ sin 5x, तो इसको क्या करेंगे? 5 आके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. 5 इंटू e to the power x and sin 5x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? cos 5x. Here also sin 5x and ddx of e to the power x is what? e to the power x. From this expression what you will do? You will take e to the power x common. E to the power x common. It will be 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Okay. Now we get what? y1. Our target is to find second order, means we have to need to find y2. Therefore y2 is equal to, y2 means y1 को फिर डेरिवेटिव करना. y1 का वैल्यू क्या निकल के आ गया? दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ y1. तो y2 means ddx of what? y1. ddx of what? y1. And ddx of y1 क्या है? This is the y1. e to the power x into 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Okay. Now again use the product rule. This is your suppose u and you consider this function as b. Okay. And use it, you will get, that is a first function e to the power x into ddx of 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Okay, and plus again what? 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Okay, first that is u into ddx of what? b plus b into ddx of what? u. ddx of u means what? ddx of e to the power x होगा and which is equal to e to the power x. Directly I am doing here. Okay, I hope you understand this part. e to the power x into here you derivative, उसका अगर डेरिवेटिव करेंगे cos 5x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? cos का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? माइनस होती है, माइनस आएगा. cos 5x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? sin 5x होगा. अंडरस्टैंड करो, sin 5x होगा और 5 आगे मल्टीप्लाई, ऑलरेडी 5 है, 5 इंटू 5 इक्वल टू व्हाट? 25. और sin 5x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? cos 5x होगा और कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x विल बी मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, एंड हियर इट इज 5 cos 5x प्लस sin 5x into e to the power x. Okay, Now final result will be, you can calculate yourself, I am not going to do it. e to the power x दोनों साइड से कॉमन लेने के बाद you can arrange yourself and you will get the final result. Okay, this is not about second order derivative, is nothing but only derivative. Okay, एक बार मैंने डेरिवेटिव किया और जो रिजल्ट मिला उसको फिर डेरिवेटिव करना है. सो दीज आर थिंग्स यू ऑलरेडी गॉट एंड हाउ टू डेरिवेटिव दिस टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन यू नो, नथिंग इन दिस क्वेश्चन. सो सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव का मतलब है यू आर डेरिवेटिव वंस एंड अगेन यू डेरिवेटिव, दैट्स ऑल. ओके, सो लेट अस प्रोसीड विद द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन इज, यू सपोज दैट y इक्वल टू log of log x. Okay, so first you derivative once. Okay, y1 equal to ddx of log x. y1 means dy by dx. Okay, if you derivative here you are going to use chain rule. if you use the chain rule, first for log के अंदर जो फंक्शन है उसको x मान लो, this is x, then it will be log x. स्टैंडर्ड डेरिवेटिव में जाएगा ddx of log x means ये तो x हो जाएगा ना, तो log x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है 1/x मीन्स 1/log x होगा. 1 क्या होगा, log x होगा. लेकिन ये log x क्या है और ये जो x दोनों क्या है, अलग अलग है, तो उसका फिर डेरिवेटिव करो इनटू ddx ऑफ log x. तो फाइनली आपका आंसर आ रहा है इज इक्वल टू 1 इट विल बी log x तो है और log x का डेरिवेटिव क्या 1/x होगा, तो 1/x इंटू log x, 1/x into log x. Okay, so this is your y1. Now y2 is equal to ddx of y1. फिर y1 को डेरिवेटिव करो and what is y1, ddx of 1/x log x. Okay, 1/x log x. So how to derivative this particular function? And here you use u by v rule. If you use u by v rule, that is u by b, this rule होगा, यूज होगा. u is 1, b is what, x log x. तो आप इसको क्या करेंगे, b स्क्वायर, फॉर्मूला क्या था ddx ऑफ u by b, नीचे क्या होता है, हम थोड़ा सा फॉर्मूला को रिव्यू कर लेते हैं. ddx ऑफ u by b इज इक्वल टू वाट, नीचे क्या होगा b स्क्वायर, ऊपर में क्या होगा b इंटू ddx ऑफ u minus u into ddx of what, b. This is the formula we are going to apply. b means x log x, तो उसको स्क्वायर करेंगे x स्क्वायर log x होल स्क्वायर होगा, एंड b इंटू मीन्स x log x इंटू ddx of 1, ddx of u मीन्स 1 का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा 0, माइनस u इंटू ddx of x log x. फॉर्मूला यूज़ किया मैंने. What is b? b is x log x. Okay, तो b स्क्वायर नीचे हो रहा है, देन b फॉर्मूला यूज करो b इंटू ddx ऑफ u, u मीन्स 1 का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा 0, देन नेक्स्ट u मीन्स व्हाट 1 इंटू ddx ऑफ b मीन्स व्हाट x log x. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड. सो अप टू दिस पार्ट आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन राइट इज इक्वल टू, यू सी नीचे क्या है एक्स स्क्वायर लॉग एक्स, ये टर्म तो ज़ीरो हो जाएगा, तो दिस इज ज़ीरो. नाउ हियर यू सी ddx ऑफ x इंटू लॉग एक्स, अगेन प्रोडक्ट रूल, दिस इज योर u, दिस इज योर b, प्रोडक्ट रूल यूज़ करो, तो क्या होगा x इंटू ddx ऑफ लॉग एक्स, ब्रैकेट लगाना, प्लस लॉग एक्स इंटू ddx ऑफ x क्या होगा 1 होगा, लिखने का ज़रूरत नहीं. And finally you are getting the answer as minus x into log x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है 1/x plus log x bracket divided by x square into log x, and if you make calculation it will be cancel होगा, minus 1 plus log x divided by x square into log x. Okay, this is the final answer. This is the final answer, second order derivative of this particular function log of log x. Okay, I hope that you understand this particular question. These are the questions, 2 questions I have solved how to use the second order derivative. It is nothing else, derivatives twice. Okay, derivative what, twice. एक function को पहले derivative करना है, फिर दोबारा derivative करना है. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.